Hello everyone, my name's Ryan and today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the top tips for your terms of business. So really the key first tip for you is firstly making sure that you've got the terms in a language that your clients are going to appreciate and they're actually going to want to read through and take notice. We see quite a common mistake, well not necessarily a mistake, but it's quite common where businesses will send to their customers reams and reams of terms in very small font, double-sided, and they will look at it and think, do you know what, I'll just sign. They won't realise really what they've got themselves in for, expectations not managed properly, and then at the end of the service or when there's a problem, that's really where the disputes start to happen because they fail to realise that there was something in the contract, it feels like it was hidden, and the relationship with the client breaks down, which is not the position that any of us want to be in. So the way around that is to really think about what your clients are actually going to appreciate. And also another key tip for you is really think about your key commercial terms that you want to get through to your client. Thinking about worst case scenarios as well, or even past scenarios that have happened that you wish were captured in the contracts. And then once you've thought of all of those, really bringing them through nice and clear in the agreement. Other key thing really, and another key tip, is making sure that the timing of your contract's key. So rather than giving the client the contract halfway through the service or after you've supplied the products, making sure that actually you're doing it before you actually supply the service or deliver the products. Giving them a clear opportunity to read it, ask you any questions if they're not sure about what any of it means, and to negotiate that contract if need be. This is especially important if you're dealing on a business-to-business basis, because the onus really is on you as the business owner to read and negotiate your contracts carefully, because if you sign them, the wriggle room of getting out of the contract becomes much more difficult. Obviously it's important for consumers as well to have the contracts and the terms that they're entering into nice and clear at the outset, and there's consumer law that protects against that. But when you're in the business-to-business arena, really you need to be even more careful with your contracts and the way that you read and review them. This is just really a few small examples. I hope this helps. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to speak to us. Thank you.